Assalamu alaikum. I'm here to read the lesson Should Wizard Hit Mummy? This is the second video of this lesson. I would request all my students to have the textbook in your hand, and I'm reading from page number 50 from second line. So please have your finger over there and underline the words which you are not getting right, and feel free to ask me if there is any question, confusion. So let's begin to read page number 50. This is the second video of this lesson, but I'm reading from PDF textbook from PDF file. But downstairs a chair scrap means pull. So downstairs a chair was pulled by his wife, and he realized he must get down to help Claire. His wife's name is Claire, so you must remember the name of wife. He wanted to go and help his wife Claire. She was paint the living room. She was painting. She was doing painting. She was painting the room, woodwork. She was painting the chair, tables, and all this. And he wanted to go, but his daughter was not ready to sleep. She wanted her father to complete the story. Well, he walked along very sadly and came to a very big tree. Now this is the story of Roger Skunk. He now started telling the story. Well, he walked along very sadly and came to a very big tree, and in the tip top of the tree was an enormous wise old owl. So in the story, the plot of the story would always be the same. Roger had some problem. Having some problem, he would just go to seek help from owl. So same thing happened over here also. Let's see. Enormous wise old owl. Good, Mr. Owl, Roger Skunk said. All other animals run away. So he was there telling his problem before the owl, that when I go to the other animals to play, all other animals would run away because of my bad smell. From me, all other animals run away from me because I smell so bad. So you do, the owl said. Yes, you are smelling so bad. The bad smell, the bad odor is coming out of your body. Very, very bad. What can I do, Roger? What can I do? Why you are here? Why are you here? Roger Skunk said, and he cried very hard. The wizard, Joe shouted. So Joe was very much enthusiastic. She was so much curious, and she was now interrupting. She was interpreting the narration of the story to her father, and in between the story, she saying that why is not going to the wizard. She herself was telling wizard, and sat right up. And once again she was sleeping, and now she was sitting. Her father wanted her to sleep. Now she was sitting. A little golden book spilled from the bed. She stood up. She was sitting in such a way, even the one book fell down from bed. Now, Joe, Dad is telling the story. Do you want to tell Daddy the story? Means father becomes so angry with her, and he says, "You want to tell a story, or you want to tell me the story, or you want father to tell the story?" No, you me. Then lie down and be sleepy. Her head relapsed onto the pillow, and she said, "Out of your head," means Papa, you tell me the story. Out of your. Well, the owl thought, and at last he said, "Why don't you go to see the wizard?" Daddy, what? Are magic spell real? Now she was once again interrupting. Now she is no more child. She is now asking question to her father. She was not asking question before. Now she had a habit of asking question to her father. And are magic spell real? She is now asking question to her father. Are they real? Is magic real? This was a new phase. This was the new beginning. She had never asked such question to her father before. Just this last month, a reality. phase. When he told her spider eat bugs, she turned to her mother and asked, do they really? Now see, if something is told by father, she would go to the mother and ask question. Like this, father once said that spider eat bugs, so she just went to mother and confirm it, get it confirmed from her mother. Now she is no dumb listener. She is not. She now have she has got an habit of asking questions. She is not ready to accept everything narrated to her or told to her. Let's see. This was a new phase just this last month, a reality phase when he told her spider eat bugs. She turned to her mother and asked, do they really? And when Claire told her God was in the sky all around them, she turned to her father and insisted with a sly yet eager smile, is really? When mother told about God, so she just went to her father to confirm it that whether God exists or not. And she had a sly means cunning smile. She had, let's see, do they really? So she was asking about God existence to her father. If something is told by mother, she would go to the father. If something is told by father, she would go to mother. Now she is that much clever girl. Do they really? And let's begin to read. Claire told her God was in the sky and all around them. And she turned to her father and insisted with a sly yet eager smile, is it really? They are real in stories. They are real in stories, Jack answered curtly. She had made him miss a beat. So Jack answered to her daughter, they are real in stories, Jack answered curtly. She had made him miss a beat, means she interrupted her father in narration of the story, in the narrative. The owl said, now the story, the real story that is there in the story. The owl said, go through the dark woods, under the apple tree, into the swamp, over the creek. Creek means small river. What's a creek? A little river. Over the creek, and there will be the wizard house. Now the owl was giving an address of the wizard. And wizard would be the person, magician, who would be able to sort out her problem, right? Sort out the Roger Skunk problem. So he was now telling the address of the owl. Go through the dark woods, under the apple tree, into the swamp, over the creek. What's a creek? A little river. Over the creek, and there will be the wizard house. And that's the new way Roger Skunk went. And pretty soon he came to little white house, and he rapped on the door. He was the rapping on the door. The door was closed, right? And Roger Skunk would just went to the house of the magician, and he was knocking the door. Let me explain you. Scrap means, I already told you, scrap means pull. Let me explain you the entire paragraph in simple English, okay, so you can understand. Suddenly Jack heard a voice downstairs of a chair being pulled and realized that he must go down to help his wife paint the living room, but had to continue with the story as Joe had not slept yet. She was not ready to sleep, so he had to complete the story, and he wanted to go and help his wife. So Jack continued that Roger Skunk was sad, and as he walked, he came across the tree where he saw the wise owl. This is the story. I am here once again to explain the same story, please. The skunk then shared his problem with the wise owl, and the owl started thinking of how he could help the little skunk. Then Joe shouted enthusiastically that the wise owl would ask him to go to the wizard, as he had known about the basic plot of the stories because father used to tell her story every day. Same plot of the story would remain the same. So she, well in advance, he was saying why he was not going to the wizard. So know about the basic plot of the stories. Her dad used to tell her. Jack got a bit irritated and scolded her because he was interrupted by her daughter, and asked her if she wanted to tell the story by herself. So Joe denied, and Jack asked her to lie down and peacefully and continue listening to the story. So he wanted to make her sleep. In nutshell, so once he started sleeping, he would go and help his wife, who was there painting down the house in the downstairs. Okay. Joe denied and Jack asked her to lie down peacefully and continue listening to the story. So Joe told Jack to tell the story out of his head. The Jack continued with the story that the owl told Roger to go to the sea wizard for his problem. Then Joe interrupted him and asked if the magic spell that the wizard used were real. When Joe asked this question, Jack realized that Joe was coming into the reality phase and had started asking questions out of his head. So yeah, this is all the explanation of this lesson. Inshallah, I will sure explain you the rest of the paragraph, or I will read the next paragraph. Inshallah, this is the second video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. We will continue with the third video next time. Thank you for listening me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.